Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Samsung Wallet and pay with NFC on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the Wallet app. So the app is right here. Now, here we got everything. So we need to make sure that our country is good. We want to click on Get Started. And right now everything's loading up. We're going to click on More and Continue. Right now we're going to allow the Samsung Wallet to send us notifications. And here we have to enter our Samsung account password. So I'll quickly enter it and I'll get back to you. Once you enter the password, you should see this. So we want to make sure that we allow Samsung Wallet to make and manage phone calls. As you guys can see, now everything's loading up. And here we can verify ourselves. We're going to use the fingerprint and we're going to scan our fingerprint to verify our identity. We want to set up our app pin. So I'm going to choose 1, 2, 3, 4. As you guys can see, it cannot be in order. So I'll just put it as 2580. Let's try if it works. It does. Make sure that you create a strong PIN code for your wallet. It's very important. Make sure to not copy my password. You need to create a password that's safe. And right now the wallet is loading up. Here we want to draw the pattern from another device. So I'm going to do it from the Z Fold 8, which is this phone. And as you guys can see, we are back and we are in the Google Wallet. So this process takes some time. It should take no longer than 2 or 3, 4 minutes max. But here we have our wallet. Here we can click on Add Card. We can add the payment card, and of course we can take a picture. We can add it by tapping, so we can tap the card against our phone, our back of the phone, and it will scan, or we can add the card manually. So here we have the card number, for example, of course the card holder name. As you guys can see, it's not a valid card number, so it does not let me go through. But here you can enter your card and you will simply have your wallet. Now we're going to go to settings, and here, as you guys can see, you have a lot of options, right? What we're interested in is we're interested in the NFC. So of course it's in the connections and then NFC and contactless payments. We want to make sure that we enable it, and here we can change our default wallet app to Samsung Wallet. Now, as you guys can see, we got our Samsung Wallet set up and we can easily pay with NFC. Here, as you guys can see, it doesn't matter what we choose here. Make sure that Samsung Wallet is enabled though, and the digital key too. And after that, you're all set up and you're ready to use your Samsung Wallet. You can pay with it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.